That's the sound we want to hear. You hear the fan, and you hear the refrigerant going through the lines. I like these gloves too. I need to get me some other ones. Maxi Flex. I love them. My hand's pretty big too, so that's it. My hand's pretty big. The whole Lennox thing. But we good though. Alright, let's go outside. Hvac Technician. Alright. So coming up on the tools. Got the refrigerant right here. Definitely gotta put some refrigerant. Yeah, long way to go. So we're just gonna stay here, make sure it's all filled up to where it needs to be. It comes factory charge 10 pounds. You see that? 10 pounds and 1 ounce. That's factory charge. Alright? So we're just gonna be chilling here and making sure everything works good. Alright, and after that I got a compressor. So we're good. Legacy is on the way to new heights. Teleportation.